Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Hey, what's going on, everyone on the internet? My name is Tyler Tolo, and today we are going to be talking about the Apple event that happened yesterday. And first thing I want to say is that I was pretty disappointed that there was no one more thing at the end of it. That annoyed me a little bit because the leaker who had a 100% track record, CoinX, he said, "But there's one more thing," and he quoted Steve Jobs. But the thing is, he's never tweeted anything randomly. He only tweets anything when it's a leak. But that wasn't a leak. He just randomly tweeted that. And now everyone in the tech community is skeptical of him because now he's not as trustworthy because he no longer has that 100% track record. So, yeah, that's all I have to say for the start of the video. Let's get into what was released yesterday. So, I want to talk about the iPhone 11 first. It's actually pretty interesting because last year when the iPhone XR was released, it was $700 or $750. The iPhone 11 is $699 or $700, which is actually $50 less than the XR when it was launched, which I think is pretty interesting because that means that Apple's actually listening to their customers and lowering some of their prices. And the iPhone XR got a price cut, and the XS and XS Max were discontinued because they were too similar to the 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So, yeah, the iPhone 11 has a dual lens camera, and it's actually almost the exact design that everyone thought it was going to be, and there's also no iPhone text on the back of it. All three of the new iPhones this year have the A13 Omega processor, and I'll just put the specs on the screen right there because I don't really have time to say them. I'm trying to make this just a quick little video so you guys know what's going on with the new iPhones and the Apple Watch Series 5. So yeah, that's it for the iPhone 11. Now on to the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. Now with both of these phones, they both have a triple lens camera. There's a telephoto lens, an ultra-wide lens, and a wide-angle lens. Those are the three lenses that the 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max have. Both of these phones have the same processor as the iPhone 11, and I believe they all start at 64 gigabytes of storage. I could be wrong about that. If I am, I'll correct myself when I'm editing, but I'm pretty sure that's right. Okay, so that is it for the new iPhones this year. Now on to the Apple Watch Series 5. It has the same processor as the Apple Watch Series 4, and it looks almost exactly the same. So honestly, if you have an Apple Watch, I don't. But if you have one and you have the Series 4, I honestly don't recommend upgrading because there's really no point. It's almost the exact same watch. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Apple Watch Series 4. Not really much to be said about, Series 5, there's not much to be said about that. And now on to the new, budget model iPad that was released. And that's going to be starting at, I believe, $329. And it will no longer be a 9.7 inch iPad. It'll now be, I believe, 10.2 inches, or 10.5, something like that. So yeah, it's getting bigger, and it also has a smart connector. So yeah, that's pretty much it for all of those, all the hardware that was launched. Now let's move on to the services that were launched. So at WWDC, Apple announced Apple Arcade, Apple TV Plus, and Apple Card. All three of them are being launched this month. Well, actually no, Apple TV Plus might not be launched this month. I'm not sure about that. But Apple Arcade and Apple TV Plus both are starting, or will both have a monthly price of $4.99, which actually no one was expecting. Everyone thought that Apple TV Plus was going to be $10 a month, but hey, $5 a month seems like a pretty good deal, especially because it's Apple and they have in the past overpriced everything. So yeah. Apple with Apple Card, that I believe is launching when iOS 13 comes out. Actually, wait, no. It already launched. It launched like a week or 2 weeks ago, something like that. So yeah, Apple Card already launched, and Apple Arcade and Apple TV Plus are coming soon. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go subscribe down below, leave a like on this video, comment what you want to see next. Go follow me on all social medias, and I'll see you guys in the next video.